two dualies on right side of Vinny, both torqued down. I did go to 130 pounds. The manual said at least 120, so my torque wrench max is at 130, so that's what I did. They're both at 3 threads in between. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive off the ramp, position the ramps on the other side, and reverse the project. So I'm going to pull the front wheel chuck, and I'll come down forward, and you can see how these ramps work. All right. I don't know if this is showing, but the reason I cut them at a 45 is so that I could slide them in and out really easily right in the middle. When I first configured them, they were squared off and they didn't actually fit between the two wheels. So you'd have to ride up and over. And yeah, that's not as good as just what I did. So I'm gonna move this around, and we'll do the other side. And that's it. This gives it plenty of clearance to get the dualies on. Very stable. I'll chock the other side, front and back. And then now we'll do a time lapse of the process of switching these two dualies on.